these bees alive? Let's find out. Hopefully you can hear that, because yeah, they're definitely alive. Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to B&K Bees. Very, very common theme this time of year, it's November 30th, is how do I tell if my bees are still alive? The first answer to that is you don't really need to know right now. There's not a whole lot you can do about that, but it is definitely nice to figure that out. And so the best and easiest answer is get a FLIR camera, an infrared camera that'll show you the heat signature of what's inside the box. But those are kind of expensive, so how else? Well, you can wait until a sunny day and see them flying around, because they're probably going to do some mortuary duty and bring some dead bees out in the front. And that is a very easy and non-invasive method of telling if they're alive. But if that's not working, you don't have any warm days, you can definitely just tap on the side. I know a lot of people say that messes with what the bees are doing and it brings them out of a state of torpor. But bees don't naturally overwinter in a state of torpor. Torpor is kind of like a hibernation state. It's kind of a thing that happens because they're cold-blooded. So when they get too cold, they will kind of go into some type of a hibernation where when they get re-warmed up, they can come back to life. That's not how our bees go through winter though. The cluster in the hive is kept, usually above 90 degrees. So it's not like they're freezing on the brink of death there. They're nice and toasty warm in there. And tapping on it is not going to cause a whole lot of extra effort, because they're not going to break cluster to respond to tapping when the temperatures don't allow them to break clusters. It's just not how it works. So I definitely wouldn't suggest going out there every day and smashing on the side of your hive. But if you're wondering, maybe once a month you go out there and give them a tap, and you'll at least satiate your curiosity, and I promise you won't be doing them any harm. So let's do that here. They're alive! I'm out! Have a good one! Have fun with your bees! See ya!